Maintenance Management. QuickFMS Maintenance Management Module. Our platform helps organizations streamline their maintenance processes through automation, contract tracking, and preventive planning, ensuring every asset stays operational and compliant. With QuickFMS Maintenance Management, you can schedule preventive maintenance daily, weekly, or monthly. Track and generate work orders for vendor service requests. Manage AMC renewals with timely alerts. Maintain a log of breakdowns and maintenance activities. Plan maintenance budgets and monitor cost performance. Maintenance Masters Setup. Let's begin with setting up the Maintenance Masters. This module pulls essential data from the Asset Masters. In the Masters section, the global admin can add and modify asset types, subcategories, brands, and models. Define asset groups and stock information. Maintain vendor information with contract and rate details. Admins can also add capital assets or consumable assets directly to specific locations using the Add Asset functions. Asset Category Structure. Next, in the Asset Category Master, you can create and organize asset categories with unique codes and statuses. Subcategories are managed under the Asset Subcategory Master, forming a complete asset hierarchy that supports better reporting and tracking. Vendor Management. Vendors can be added or modified using the Add Vendor option. Admins can enter contractor name, contact details, and service terms. To update or view vendor details, simply use the View and Edit options. Annual Maintenance Contract (AMC) module. Now, let's move into the AMC section of the module. This allows you to manage service contracts for assets like HVAC systems, chillers, air conditioners, and office equipment. Maintenance in charges can assign vendors, define contract periods, and generate service schedules for each asset. Creating an AMC contract. To create a new AMC, navigate to Maintenance Management and Maintenance. Create Maintenance Contract. Select the location, asset group, asset type, and brand from the drop-down. Then choose the vendor, define the contract start and end dates, and submit. This creates a full maintenance record tied to the asset, vendor, and contract duration. Modifying contracts. Expired contracts or details that require editing can be handled in the View Modify Maintenance Contract section. Here, the maintenance admin can extend warranties, update terms, or renew expiring AMCs easily. Work Order Generation. Let's now raise a work order. When maintenance is scheduled under an AMC, a work order is generated with all contract data autofilled. You'll enter the contract start date and contractor charges, and the system will generate a unique work order ID to track the request from initiation to completion. Preventive Maintenance. Now we'll explore the Preventive Maintenance module. This feature ensures regular maintenance of assets, reducing the chance of unexpected failures. It includes the following submenus: Create Plan, View Plan, Change Plan, Update Plan. The maintenance admin can schedule service activities daily, weekly, or monthly and assign specific contractors for each task. Reports and Analytics. QuickFMS provides a powerful reporting engine for both AMC and preventive maintenance. AMC reports cover assets under or outside AMC, expired contracts, contract durations, contractor-wise cost reports, overall cost incurred on maintenance activities. All reports are exportable to Microsoft Word, Excel, PDF, or spreadsheet formats for internal use or audits. Thank you for exploring QuickFMS. Request a free demo or walkthrough. No cost, just smarter facility management.